Hi there and welcome back. In this video you are going to need the tabs that look like this. There is one that says June solstice, December solstice, and March-September equinox. So I am looking at the inside of the tab. The writing is on the outside. So the June solstice is on the outside. If you turn the tab over, we're looking at the inside. So on the inside of your June solstice tab, I want you to write some things. We're going to use some information, and then we'll use this in our diagram in just a little while or in the next video, and we'll put this together. But let's start with June solstice, and this is what we need to write in this category. Remember, I'm on the inside of this tab. So open up the tab and then write this in there. Days are long. So what does that mean about nights? Nights are short. And if you think about in the summertime, we have a lot more daylight time. So that's what this is talking about. Earth's axis, Earth is a possessive noun, so we make an apostrophe. Earth's axis is toward the sun. And when we put this little diagram together on the page in your book, you will see how this works. That the little diagram will move to show you exactly what this looks like. So toward the sun. And June solstice is June 20th into the 21st. This is the longest day of the year. This is the day with the most daylight hours. So when you think of solstice, you think of long and short. Okay, the next one that we need to look at is the December solstice. So when I see solstice, I think long and short. And the December solstice is just the opposite. The days are short. In the wintertime, it gets dark early because the days are short, the nights are longer. And Earth's axis is away from the sun. So solstice, again, is long short. This winter solstice or December solstice happens December 21st to 22nd. And this is the shortest day in terms of daylight. Okay, we have one more, and that is the March-September equinox. March is in the spring. That's called the vernal equinox. September is in the fall. That's called the autumnal equinox. Or sometimes you'll hear it March-September. And on an equinox, equa means equal. So Earth's axis is parallel to the sun. And I'm going to draw you a little diagram so that you can understand what that means. Let's suppose that this is the sun, And in an equinox, the Earth's axis is just like this. Whoops, not like that because that's not straight. It's parallel. It's directly opposite and straight up. So Earth is sitting sort of on this kind of axis. That is what happens with an equinox. And what that means is that we have 12 hours of daylight, because what is equal? So 12 hours of daylight and equally 12 hours of darkness. That makes up the 24 hours in a day. So in the spring and fall, we have the equinoxes where there are equal hours. This happens around March the 20th and September the 20th. You get those equal times. And then the days start getting longer or shorter depending on where we are in the season cycle. So we are going to put this information on page 8 of your book. There's a diagram in your workbook that looks like this, and I'll do a video to show you how to assemble this diagram, and then you'll see how this little thing moves to show you the position of the Earth in the different seasons. So that's just an introduction to the equinoxes and the solstices, just so that you know what those are if you should see them on a test. So go ahead and put these little tabs back into your bag. We'll need those in a little while. Just don't lose them because they're going to be important in our diagram. And I will see you very soon for the next video, and I believe that is the one where we put all this stuff together. I may be wrong, but that's coming up soon. So I'll see you soon, whatever the subject. I hope you have a great day.